So let's make a line follower robot. For this tutorial, we are going to make a robot which can follow a black line on the white surface. So first thing we have to do is to find a way our robot can see these both black surface and the white surface. So we are going to use a sensor for this purpose, and the sensor which we are going to use is IR sensor. Now the single IR sensor can detect both this white surface and black surface. Its working is very simple. Each sensor IR sensor consists of one IR transmitter and one IR receiver. Transmitter transmit infrared wave and receiver can receive infrared wave. So when receiver receive any infrared wave, the IR sensor will send 5 volt, that is binary 1 to the microcontroller, and when it does not receive any infrared wave, it will send 0 volt or binary 0 to the microcontroller. So we got two condition or two different possibilities with one IR sensor. When we have to attach or interface our sensor with the robot in such a way that both transmitter and receiver sees the surface or both facing to the ground, so they can see the black surface and white surface. When the sensor is on the IR sensor is on the black surface, then none of the IR wave that is transmitted by the transmitter will get reflected back, because black surface will absorb all the IR wave. So receiver will not receive any IR wave, infrared wave. Our sensor will send 0 to the microcontroller. So for black, our sensor will send 0. When it is on the white surface, that is sensor is on the white surface, all the infrared wave transmitted by the transmitter will be reflected back, which would be received by the receiver, and our sensor will be sending 1 to the microcontroller. So for white 1, for black 0. Right now our robot is at this position and our sensor is seeing the black surface. So it will be sending 0 to the microcontroller. For 0 condition, we will make our robot turn right. So for 0, that is black, when sensor is on the black, robot should turn right. The moment it turn right, sensor will start seeing white surface, so it will be sending 1 to the microcontroller, so our robot should turn left. So it will turn left, again it will see black surface 0, robot will turn right, and again white, then it will turn left. For 0 turn right, for white turn left. So for right left, and it will be able to follow the black line. We are using only one sensor, so we got only two possibility, and we have utilized both the possibilities. So there is no way that we can stop our robot unless we power off the robot. But if we want our robot to take some decision on its own and stop or start, then it is not possible. Actually it is possible with some tweaking in the programming part, but that is more advanced version. Also, one thing to keep note is that when we turn right and left, we will make our only one wheel, we will make our one wheel to rotate and other wheel should be stopped. For example, to turn right, our right wheel should be stopped and only left wheel should move in anti-clockwise direction. And to turn left, our left wheel should be stopped and our right wheel should move in clockwise direction. In this way, our robot can follow the black line on white surface with using only single IR sensor.